Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a sticky note comment color or sticky note comment interface color. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this sticky note comment option. Click here and put your sticky note in here and see this. This sticky note color now showing yellow color, and this right sidebar click on the stop properties option, and here you will find this sticky note color option. You can change it, you can make it red, orange, and so on. See this, in this you can change a sticky note comment color and type text here if you want to add text on this comment box. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.